Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and this is a short update for what's happening for Bitcoin, as of course unexpected this time, because anyway it's a correction wave 4, and we know that of course a correction cannot be tradable because it is unexpected, especially when you have a wave B. So what we have here, of course, is a wave A. Probably, of course, it can be zigzag, it can be a flat, can be anything. But the problem here, we don't have an impulse, but you see an impulse. How is that, right? This is a question mark. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Your wave 4 interfered with your zone 1, definitely directly invalidation. There is no impulse here. 3 waves down, and then correction, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, hitting perfectly the 1.05, 1.23 for an A, B, and a C, and an expanding flat, meaning A, B, and a C. Your wave C is gonna be a big impulse toward the upside, of course, and this will, of course, create 3 waves toward the upside, which is gonna make the correction time much more longer, of course, because your impulse might take even longer time. Nobody knows. And of course, it's gonna bring us very, very close to the time of a wave 4. Yeah. So basically, because we don't see any kind of impulsive structure here, except this one here, we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, but this is a wave C. Yeah. We can of course dive deeper onto 80K.5 or 81.2. Yeah, it is very, very possible. And then A, and then B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toward the upside to wave C. So of course this is a very, very tricky wave, guys. It is a correction wave. I always mention never trade a correction. Always only wait for the impulses because they are the most tradable waves, and of course you cannot I never do this because of that. Yeah, look, today I was even expecting for an ABC as a zigzag probably, but it has of course transformed into an expanding flat at the end. Zigzag, expanding flat, or regular flat. It is a random pattern that of course they can unfold, and you cannot really of course predict those patterns before finishing them or in the middle of them. Yeah, like now you got the of course the signal that you are in a wave B, yeah, for an expanding flat probably, of course, once you break this low or take one of the fibs. Let's take a look also at KGT. On KGT, as you can see, we have no signal yet, but of course very, very soon, and this when of course the price will take the low here, meaning expanding flat wave B, is gonna give us of course a bullish signal. As you can see, it is now very, very close at strands of 467. Very, very close for the 500, meaning just by taking the low, you will see, of course, a bullish signal here. And it's gonna, of course, start the wave C toward the upside. This is the highest possibility, of course. Now, let's say, let's put this virtual because, of course, it will be the last video for today for Bitcoin. Our next target for a wave C and an expanding flat. So let's say the minimum target, yeah, in case the wave B take the 1.05, of course, to be readjusted. So we can remove this, by the way, it's gone, this scenario. And here we go. So we have this one, okay, 1.618, 1.38, probably, of course, after taking the low, probably. If not, then it's gonna transform simply to a regular flat. We still corrective. Be careful from it. That was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.